On this, we need to make a heart, but 3 curve heart. Like this. And after that, we need to cut it. Like this.
Ma'am, we will
Size
repeat.
of square is 13 centimeter by 13 centimeter.
Size of square is 13 centimeter by 13 centimeter. Very nice. Ma'am, let us repeat the whole thing so far, whatever you have done.
Okay. First, we need a big rectangle, and the size of rectangle is 55 centimeter by 15 centimeter. And we need to stick both ends and make a circle.
And make a circle. Here.
So circle you make it based on the size
Of your kid hand.
Yeah, for the kid. You can measure it on the hand and then stick it on the using the Fevicol or stapler. Second, you need the square. On a square, you need to draw this. Ma'am, you can show this. Yeah, you can draw and cut it using the scissors. Yes, ma'am. Can go to next step now.
Then we need to stick over here at the center part, like this.
Wow, very nice.
Now we want to make his eyes like this.
Very nice.
Look, here.
Yes, it's visible, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
So you all have to stick toward the top end using the Fevicol. If you don't have it, you can use stapler also. Fevicol is better. Very good. Good job, children. Very nice. Wow. Very nice. I can see colorful headgears getting ready. Very nice. Take your time. Okay. Don't rush. Very good. Yes, ma'am. Next step. Yeah.
Okay. So we need to follow same step with the black paper for this, but we need a smaller paper.
What is the approximate size, ma'am?
Its approx size is 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter. Then we need to paste over here.
Very good. Good job, everybody. Wow. Bhumi is all set. Very nice. Everybody take your time. Very nice. And stick this paper now. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are going to make eyes. For that we need again a rectangle and size of this is 6 centimeter by 3 centimeter. Then we need to fold it like this.
Is it make 5 square? What the eye?
For the eyes, yes.
Then we need to draw a circle on it. And cut it.
Now you want to make teeth here.
I have got 2 eyes. Then we need to make eyes using black sketch pen like this.
Like here. Huh?
Very nice. I can see many of them are ready. Very nice.
Banana cutter.
Very nice.
Then we need to stick like this.
Oh.
Wow. Everybody, you can take your time. Okay, very nice. Yes, let's do the next step also, ma'am.
Now we are going to make a bee.
Yellow
Yes,
size,
this is the yellow one.
size would be what, 9 centimeter again? 9 approximately. 9 by
The size of this paper is 12 by 4.
12 centimeter. Yes, ma'am.
And we need to fold it like this and make a triangle on it. And cut it.
Look, our red hen is ready. 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 Can you see? Our red hen is ready.
Yes, everybody is all set. Ready? Very nice. Very nice. I can see a lot of them are all set now. Very good. Everybody keep it aside now. And we will do the finger craft now. This you will need in the evening. So be careful and keep it for the evening session today. Everybody. Keep it carefully for today's evening session. Okay. We will do a story session with this at 5 p.m. today. Yes, ma'am. We can do the finger craft now.
Okay, now we are going to make this dog. For this, we need a square. The size of this square is 7 centimeter by 7 centimeter.
What is the size of
7 centimeter by 7 centimeter.
7 by 7.
Yes, sir.
Any color they can use, right?
Yeah, they can use, after that they can color. Like dog is brown. Then we need to stick like this. These two ends.
So ma'am, they have to fold it and stick, right?
Yes.
Okay. Vertically, they have to fold it. So ma'am, they can use craft paper or chart paper. Which paper they have to use?
Any paper they can use, sir.
Thanks, ma'am.
And we are use it. Then use it also orange.
So children, those who are using scissors, better be careful, everybody. Or use the smaller ones. Use the smaller ones.
Be
Okay.
careful, everyone.
You can use the smaller scissors, not the one which is very sharp.
Okay?
Very nice. Good job, everybody.
Now for the face, we need a square
More.
and make a circle on it.
So, ma'am, if you can repeat that, what we did for this finger kind.
Okay. For dog, we take a square and the size of square is 7 centimeter by 7 centimeter. Then we fold it like this.
It's the mouse one.
And we need to stick these two sides.
Yes. Yes.
And for dog face, we need a square and we cut it into circle shape.
Yes, ma'am.
And for ears, we need a rectangle. Again, we need to fold it and cut it into a curve shape
This is for legs, right?
like this.
Like this.
This is for legs, right?
No, this is for ears.
Yes, okay, okay. Sorry. Circle size approximately, ma'am, the one which we took circle size.
The circle size is 4 centimeter by 4 centimeter.
Sure.
Yes. It is by 4 centimeters. By 4 centimeters. Okay.
These are the ears.
Wow, very nice.
Oh.
Everybody is able to do it. Show thumbs up. Any problem? Everybody is able to see it. Show thumbs up.
Wow. Mama, कोई तो चक्कर.
Very good. Very good. Good job. Show thumbs up, everybody. If you are okay. Yes. Very nice. Wow.
Then we need to stick like this.
Very nice. Stick the ears to the face, the circle that we cut it.
It look like this.
Wow. So you take a circle, paper circle, make a small ears and stick both sides. Very nice, children. So ma'am, this finger puppet that you'll have to explain again one more time.
Okay. First, we took a square, and the size of square is 7 centimeter by 7 centimeter. Then we need to fold it like this. And we stick both ends. And for the face part, we took a square and we stick these ears.
So for ears, ma'am, you took a small circle and cut it into 2 pieces, right?
No, sir, we took a rectangle,
Okay, okay.
like a big rectangle like this, and we fold it
Okay.
and cut it into a semicircle shape.
Okay, okay, all right. Yeah.
Then we draw dog face like this.
So you have to draw, stick, after sticking the ears, you can draw the eyes, nose, like the way ma'am has drawn, puppy's face, and little bit of ears coloring. Very good.
Then we are going to stick on this, like this.
Everybody is fine with this? Very good. Very nice. So Vishal sir, we will take few more minutes and then we will start.
Yes.
For Vishal sir, the Zumba dancer has joined us. Okay, so we will take some more craft and then start. Okay.
Then we draw some legs and belt of the dog.
You can draw, wow, you can draw on the puppet.
लाइटिंग भी रखते हैं और इसमें डॉट डॉट्स नहीं बनाए वाह ऑरेंज नहीं चलता
So the other crafts, ma'am, you can just show them. They will be able to do it. We may not be able to do the other one.
Okay, sir.
And you can even make a short video and send it.
Yeah, ma'am.
A 1 minute video will also do. 1 or 2 minutes, whatever permit.
Wow, very nice.
So this is the cat and this is the mouse.
Wow. So, ma'am, if you can share your these 3 things videos, we will forward to all the groups.
Sure, sir.
So,
And
so
it was
parents,
beautiful.
so
Thank you very
parents, parent ma'am is just volunteering this session. She is basically a trainer. She does all of this and teaches children about the art and all of this stuff.
Wakad based, right? Wakad based?
No, ma'am, I'm staying in Pibla Sadagar.
Okay, fine.
So thanks, ma'am. It was really wonderful session.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this platform.
Thank
So,
you for coming and teaching here, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Samriddhi beta.
So children, you can say thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Thank you,
Thank you, Samriddhi. Everybody be ready with your headgears.
All right, now everybody take a 5-minute break and get ready for Zumba. Everybody. Okay, everybody take 5-minute break. Vishal sir is joined, right? So Vishal sir will start with the Zumba session. It's a family Zumba session. Everybody can join. Vishal sir, if you can start your video. Yeah. So everybody take 5-minute break. Get freshen up, drink water, and we will start with our Zumba session. Parents can also join. Everybody take a break, drink water, get freshen up and come back.